everyone guys, my name is Anirudh Sachin Bajaj and I am your teacher at Bajaj classes. So today this is a ninth lecture on the history second chapter, that is nationalism in India. So today's our topic is different social groups. So what are these different social groups? These are the social groups who participated in the non-cooperation movement. If you don't know what is non-cooperation movement, please see my 8th lecture, the previous lecture. I will give the link in the description. In that lecture, I have briefly explained that what is non-cooperation movement, what are the stages of the non-cooperation movement. So now in this lecture, I am going to state you that what is different social groups which are included in non-cooperation movement. So here is a flow chart. It is a very good way to explain or to learn things through a flow chart. So this is non-cooperation movement. Now it has been placed at 3 places. So in the towns, in countrysides, in plantation fields mean. So it means that in towns the aspirations or the ideas of non-cooperation movement is different than in countryside or different in plantation. So in towns we will study about the cities, the main cities, and in countryside we will study about mainly we will study about two villages, that is Awadh and Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh not village, but a village of Andhra Pradesh. Now what about plantation? In plantation we will study about Assam. What happened in Assam in the plantation fields or with the plantation workers. So now first of all we will learn about this in towns. So what happened in towns? Middle class participated. So mainly the participators, there are 3 type of classes, that is poor class, then middle class, and then rich class. So all the middle class means mostly there are middle class participators. Now thousands of students left government controlled schools and colleges. Now you remember that what are the stages of non-cooperation movement? First is surrendering of the titles. Second is surrendering of your jobs. Many students are surrendering their schools, mean don't go in school to take studies. Headmaster and teachers were surrendering their jobs. So that was the second stage, and that was happening here. Thousands of students left the government controlled schools and colleges. So headmasters and teachers resigned. So in the schools, if the students are going, then the teachers and headmasters are also going. Now lawyers gave up their legal practices. All the lawyers in that cities are giving up their legal practices. Means they are not going to the court or not doing their cabinet. Now last council elections are boycotted except Madras, where the party of non-Brahmins, Justice Party, was elected. Actually, in Madras, what happened? In Brahmins and non-Brahmins. At that time, in the main priority, there were Brahmins. So the non-Brahmins can't get the priority. That's why at that time, when we are boycotting elections, council elections, Madras non-Brahmins gets a chance. They see a chance at that all time Brahmins were electing the elections. Now we got a time for getting elected by the government. So therefore the party of non-Brahmins is called Justice Party, and that's why in Madras, except Madras, all states have boycotted their council elections. In Madras only non-Brahmins are elected. So this I have written about in towns. What are the causes had people done? Now guys, our next topic is economical effect in towns. So previously we saw that what happened in the towns, what the people do at firstly of the non-cooperation movement. So now we will see that what effect have been observed by that done of the people. Now first, foreign goods are boycotted. So foreign goods are boycotted means everyone had boycotted the foreign goods which are coming from Britain. And now liquor shops are protected and foreign clothes are burnt in huge areas. Now liquor shops, which are liquor shops? Liquor shops are alcohol shops. They are protected. Victorian means certain circumstances by which a shop or a company or a house is closed by a group of people or the government. So it was picketed, alcohol shops are picketed, and foreign clothes are burnt in huge bonfires. And people gathered all the foreign clothes they have and burnt it, and the burning of that clothes make a bonfire. Import of foreign clothes halved between 1921 and 1922, its value dropping from 102 crore rupees and to 57 crore rupees. So it simply says that due to these things, that foreign goods are boycotted, people are going to burn foreign clothes. So import of foreign clothes halved in 1920. This non-cooperation movement, this started in January 1921. So it is a date when it is started. So in 1921 and 1922, the coming or the importing of the foreign clothes or foreign goods from Britain have been halved in 1921 and 1922. The maximum price of the importing less goes to 57 crore rupees from 102 crore rupees. Second, last, now people of India started to wear khadi clothes. So now they are becoming independent, and they want to wear their own homemade clothes, that is khadi clothes. Now guys, our next topic is slowing down of NCM. Slowing down of NCM in cities only. At this time we are only talking about the non-cooperation movement in cities. So what are the reasons for the slowing down of non-cooperation movement in cities? So basically there are two main important reasons for this slowing down of non-cooperation movement in cities. First is of khadi cloth and second is of institutions. I have highlighted them also by the circle. So please note also these. These are the very good notes. If you read this, you can give the exam very properly. So now khadi clothes. Khadi clothes are expensive, as you see. At that time, the clothes, we have boycotted the foreign goods. Foreign goods contains the foreign clothes, and foreign clothes at that time, foreign clothes in India were made in the mills, factories. At that time, clothes were built at the factories, and that factory make clothes at a very cheap rate and a huge amount of clothes at a time. So this is the main problem with the khadi clothes. It is expensive and it also takes long time to build. So now institutions, Indian institutions, as we have seen that we have boycott all the institutions. Foreign institution means government institution like schools, colleges, courts, etc. So for that we have to set up alternative institutions also. Means we cannot live without the institution. A child who wants to be educated cannot live without education. A teacher who had the capability to teach someone cannot live without teaching. So that's why we have to set up also alternative institution. This is the thing that the Indians can't do. They didn't set up Indian institution, and that's why these are the two reasons which slowed down the non-cooperation movement. So everyone starts going back to the British institutions. So for this, the non-cooperation movement is slowed down. So in this video, I had explained you all the related social groups in cities, in towns or cities, and the economical effect of what have been done or is slowing down of non-cooperation movement in cities. So in the next lecture, we will see about countryside in Awadh and in Andhra Pradesh. All these things also in Awadh and Andhra Pradesh. So this is all in this lecture. Thank you, and please like, share, subscribe.